Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your computer. First, you will need to download the Roblox Player application directly from the official Roblox website. Once downloaded, install it by following the on-screen prompts. Next, create a free Roblox account if you do not already have one, or simply log in using your existing credentials. It is important to ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth gaming experience. To install the Roblox Player, open your web browser and navigate to the official Roblox website. From there, you can click on any game you wish to play, and a prompt will appear asking you to download the Roblox Player. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file, usually found in your Downloads folder, and double-click it. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the installation process in just a few moments. After successfully installing the Roblox Player, launch the application from your desktop or Start menu. If you are a new user, you will need to create a free account by clicking the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your birth date, choose a unique username, create a strong password, and select your gender. Remember to pick a username that is appropriate and easy to remember for future logins. Once your account is set up and you are logged in, you can begin exploring the expansive world of Roblox games. The application provides a user-friendly interface to browse through thousands of different experiences created by other players. Simply select a game that interests you and then click the prominent green play button. The game will then load, allowing you to jump right into the action and start playing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.